aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
We're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love, taste the love, taste the love all over the world. It's the milk we make that's at the heart, sweet inspiration from the very start. You can taste the love all over the world. Got that feel good feeling every day. We're making chocolate the Hershey way. You can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love, taste the love, taste the love all over the world. It's the love we make that's at the heart, sweet inspiration from the very start. Taste the love all over the
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly pull the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside the shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine cleaned them
Colonial milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we use later on in the process. Every day, shiny tiger trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Amazing how a little sugar and cacao become perfection just by adding milk. Ooh, the chocolate simplicity on Hershey's authenticity. Go ahead and dance. It takes 1, 2, 3 real simple things. Stir in a little pure imagining. Taste the love all over the
Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After punching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate and special dark bombs.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
So sweet.
Hershey Kisses!
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Now, everybody say Hershey's. 3, 2, 1. Hershey's!
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Look, is this the factory? That's cool.
hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming!
Bye-bye.